guys.
Thank you.
How are you?
How are you?
Are you Patricia?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Alex. We received an email from Patricia. She is in Alaska. She would like to give our RotoQ360 to her son for his upcoming birthday. We have never been to Alaska, so we're going to make this special delivery. So Alaska, let's go. The reason why I'm in Alaska. We started RotoQ360. This is our company. It's kind of the start of our journey. We started on Kickstarter, and it is a family endeavor. So that's why the story touched us when the mom wants to gift her son a birthday, and that birthday gift is RotoQ360. Apologize if this is too dark, but here you kind of get to see the room. I'm in Alaska. I'll show you a little bit here, and this is also a gift, a birthday gift for them tomorrow. Okay, good morning. Yeah. 17. Here to here. Deliver awesome RotoQ360. Okay, you can see it is cold. Just want to double check I have everything. Okay, that is the gift, and we'll bring it. Okay, Patricia mentioned that they went out to get some supplies, so I am just checking out this Kincaid Park, and I guess, wow, this is Alaska for you. People running in the cold. You guys see them? Running quite fast. Okay. Not sure where I am, but this is kind of nice. Peaceful. What am I looking at? Okay. Oh, your camera is serious. Wow. So you're a pilot and a photographer? Yeah. Aviation. It's a birthday, so I'm gonna go buy liquor for the son. Hello. Is this the only Japanese whiskey you have? Vicky? Oh, actually, you have the Suntory. You have the Toki as well. How you doing?
Not too bad. How you doing, brother?
Pretty good. First time in Alaska.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey, what do you think so far?
I don't know. I mean, I went to the Kincaid. I was just down there
The park?
to see what's there. Now, what would you recommend, if anything?
Check out Flat Top.
Flat Top.
Yeah, dude.
Okay. All right.
Are you doing like a
I came here actually because we created this. Actually, you're not as busy. I don't mind talking to folks if you don't mind. If you have a sec, I'll show you what I do and what brought me here. This lady reached out. She wanted to give this product to her son for his birthday. This is our company, so we wanted to make connection with folks. And somebody brought up the idea, why don't I deliver this in person? So that is what I'm doing. And it's happened, it's his birthday. So this is the product that we created. It's the device that is a rotisserie device. Yeah. So we created that, they reached out, and Alaska I've never been, the son's in the military, so we figure it's a good story and good to connect with them. And actually, this is for the son's birthday, and also with the device. So I'm gonna go deliver it, and then we're gonna use the device to cook something nice and enjoy the meal. And while I'm here, huh?
How much they're selling for those?
The device sells 150, and it comes with other accessories, and it's 199. Yeah, and yeah, so out of all things, so I made Alaska our first. It's kind of like an experiment. So flat top, all right? Thank you very much.
Flat top?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go visit that. Thank you guys. Okay, I gotta say, this is not too bad when you're driving and that's what's in the background. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful this is. This looks fake. Alright, that's the house we're going into. Let's see what we do. Okay, RotoQ. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Are you Patricia?
Yes.
Hi, I am Alex. Do I give this to you?
Sure.
Oh, I have to carry it. It's a little bit heavy. Stand it.
I got that.
Thank you for having me. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
So the idea was just to kind of deliver it, and then since also I've never been to Alaska, so
Okay.
I always wanted to come. Yeah, and that's so kind of was a test to deliver, and then the idea was hopefully we could cook together and have a meal, and then I'll be on my way, and then check out rest of Alaska.
Alaska.
Yeah. So this is mainly the basic set.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the power cord. You wind it up, and it will rotate up to 5 pounds of food for an hour. This is all the accessory. There's a rotisserie basket. People love doing wings with them, and this is like the steak basket for salmons and anything other type of flat foods.
Okay.
And skewer set. And then you just pop the corners open, and then that holds it
These
steady.
ones right here?
Yeah. And then that's the power core.
This one right here.
Yeah. And that kind of latches onto here.
Okay.
And this is kind of the wind up. You could use this to wind up or use that.
Okay.
Yeah, and you just wind it, and then that kind of charges the power core. Yeah. Once you do it fully, then yeah, and then this is kind of the lever. So this is how the device will go in.
Okay. And then you would release it.
Yeah, you pull it, and that'll go for an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, and you could put a 5-pound bird, or you could rotisserie in a basket
Okay.
with some wings, and that will go on the grill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Makes total sense then.
Yes.
And you put the other tray under it.
It was fun. I'll come back. Oh, this is quite beautiful. That's the airport. Alaska, okay, it's kind of cute. Yes, we're checking out Alaska. Alright, well within this, how beautiful, peaceful it is compared to LA. Mission accomplished. I did deliver the RotoQ360 to Patricia. It's our first time. Definitely a little bit odd walking into somebody's home, but that is what we want to do, RotoQ360. Hopefully to connect with folks and have a good meal and straight joy. And RotoQ360 has brought me out to Alaska. And look how beautiful it is in the back. I don't know if you can see, but
There's a mountain directly behind me.